Hey, how's it going? In today's video, we have another Pokemon review. We got the Pokemon Plamo Collection 45 Gengar from Bandai. This kit was released in September of 2020, and it cost me around $18 Canadian. Here we got the box with the model kit as the box art, and pretty much another easy snap build. Though I don't recommend snapping it off because it does leave nub marks. With not that many stickers, you pretty much just got stickers for the eyeballs, as well as two different pairs of eyes looking in opposite directions, and a pair of stickers for the bottom of the feet. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't fill it in. And pretty much I only use these stickers for the eyes. And here's the model kit, complete straight build, barely use any stickers, and a panel line the teeth. And well, that's Gengar alright. Pretty easy build, took me like a couple minutes. And look, these Pokemon kits aren't complex in any way. There's not much colored part separation, you just got white teeth and red eyes. And a really spiky back. Gengar is from Generation 1, which didn't have that many overly designed Pokemon. It's pretty much a one-to-one representation of what Gengar looks like. So let's move on to articulation, which isn't much either. We got 360 rotation on the arm, it can move up and down, internally externally rotate this much. Then we come down to the legs, which are able to swivel about, and that's it, the least amount of articulation ever, but Gengar is able to sit on its butt and give hugs. Articulation is limited, but there is some extras. You can remove the face. Yeah, that's quite terrifying, but doing so allows you to replace the face with a smiling open mouth one. Also, having this face exposes the tongue. This also allows you to switch out the tongue for a longer one. And there you go, that's it for all extras and accessories. Still don't see it justifying 18 bucks. As for shake test, it's a simple design, so it's a relatively solid kit. Now as for size, this kit is pretty small, it's around 3.5 inches. I mean average. Some might even consider it large, or absolutely huge, Well, the average size Gengar is still pretty dwarfed by the Enter grade and the Master grade Gundam RX-78-2. Currently cleaning my room, so it's hard to do other size comparison, but here it is for shelf presence. Well, the short review is over. Should you actually get this kit? I actually find the kit quite expensive for $18. You're not getting much out of it, you got some accessory parts, and the articulation is very limited. If it's a couple dollars cheaper, I would highly recommend it. It's still a good kit for beginners, and at least it is solid. But like I said, pretty expensive. As for me, Gengar is my favorite ghost type, so I just had to get it. Another short, but not actual short, review finished. If you made it this far, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. I enjoy making it. Let me know what you think. Just wanted to throw out a short review as I'm currently building and reviewing some other larger kits. So check back in the future. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Bye.